Civic Type R Bronco. I'm going to do a best exhaust video out here in the desert. Put a full Bronco body kit on the Civic Type R, and all you guys like this, Honda fans. See that, you know, if you're not boosting, this is a 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. Also has 240 horsepower like the Civic Type R, just a little bit less. Unlike a big wing on the Type R, we have a big tent and a big awning. Other than that, yeah, this will take any of you guys on the street strip, drag, track. Rock and roll. What's up, guys? Welcome back here to the Vivid Racing channel. We are out here in the middle of the desert to show off the baddest ass Bronco Sport you can think of. And here it is, the Vivid Racing 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. This has been a build going on since we first got the vehicle early last year. We've brought it out here to show off some of these great parts that we've put on here from Ironman 4x4, from our very own VR line, and more. We're gonna show you what this Bronco is capable of and some of these parts and get some cool driving shots. So let's check it out. So starting off with the build, we're gonna come right here to the front of the Bronco Sport, where we have our very own custom Vivid Racing front bumper bar. This bumper bar bolts into the subframe and features some very cool components from Ironman 4x4. They've hooked us up with this awesome 9,500 pound winch so we can pull our Bronco Sport out of any situation. We've also added their very cool floodlights to the front and even have our dingle dangle to get us out. So coming from the front, what else have we done to the Bronco? We've got it set up with a very, very good light bar, some nice light pods courtesy of the guys at Daystar. We've done a front lift. This thing has a 1.5-inch lift, which sits beautifully with our full one-piece forged, VR forged wheels. This is a 17x8 specifically designed for the Bronco Sport. Because we've done the lift, we've got some meaty tires on here. These Toyo tires, this is a 255 70-17-inch tire, which really looks great on the Bronco Sport with our VR forged wheels that are lightweight and very strong. We've done a little fender flare action here. We've got some juice under the hood with our VR tuned ECU Flash. We also have a blow-off valve and even a custom Vivid Racing exhaust, which you'll hear in a couple minutes. Now, what is this massive thing on the roof? Well, we've got the Ironman 4x4 tent, so we can fold this thing out and sleep anywhere we want. And when we're just chilling out here in the desert, we'll pop open the Ironman 4x4 awning so we can really relax and enjoy nature. But there's more. So on the Bronco Sport Badlands, we want to make sure that we have all types of situations covered. So we have our track bar. This recovery, get out of anything situation, put it in the ground, put it in goat mode. We've got these. We didn't hang them on the truck, on the car, on the SUV, on the Bronco. We got them in the back here because we're out of room. But you know what we got on this side? We have more. Yes, there is more, folks. We even have our Daystar cam cams with a custom Vivid Racing bracket. This thing fits to the factory roof rails. It's got some suction cups for a sturdy mount. And then when we need to keep stuff in here, we've got this thing. We can store any stuff we need, tow ropes, extension cords, whatnot. So we have built the perfect Bronco Sport for all of your overland, get outdoors, adventure needs. Let's go drive this thing and see a little bit more about it. You know what? We're down here. Let's get this awning out, do a little relaxation. Maybe have a little lunch, you know? I brought bologna, if you guys like bologna. I've got the Vivid Racing camo hat on, so it means I'm outdoors. You can get these at the link below. Let's take this thing out. Now, every single Overlander has to have an awning and a tent because it's so beautiful out here. You just need to find a place to sit and chill. There's one. All right. No, that's not how it works. So we got the awning out. Now we just need a chair and we can chill out and hang out here in the wilderness. That's why I wore the wilderness shirt. See, they've got these badass LEDs right here, so when you can be lit up, you just plug this in. We've got the plug in the back, so nighttime you can see all the stuff, hanging out with your friends, drinking a nice beer. Hope you guys enjoyed the Bronco Sport build we did here at Vivid Racing. We've got links to all these products below. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think, because this has been a fun one. The off-road overland world is continuing to blow up, and we've had a blast doing it. And you know what? I've had some breakfast burritos out here in Arizona, and it's a good thing we got Ironman 4x4 because they hooked us up with everything. And when I mean everything, I mean everything. I'll see you guys at the next one.